and welcome again to another DSPB video. In this one I'm taking the good old Fuji 18-55 kit lens with me again to shoot some wide angle shots of my very nice new location in Traun and also to test the latest update for Luminar 4.3. If you haven't watched my full review of Luminar, I've linked it at the end of this video. But what has changed now in version 4.3? Well, first of all, in the meantime, a lot of bugs like app crashing and performance issues have been addressed. And yes, the good news is now Luminar 4 is finally a bit faster. Still not what you get with Capture One, but the latest version 4.3 is definitely better than it was when it came out. And hey, if you want to buy Luminar 4 now, I have a link for you in the description of this video. When I shot these images in the evening, the sky was very boring, but Luminar 4 has something called sky replacement. And in version 4.3 you can also make custom folders now for your own skies, which is great. I still think the sky replacement tool is amazing, making it extremely easy to replace the sky, and also their LOT tool with its looks is great for the final look of the photos. Have you ever used Luminar 4 and how do you like my results? Let me know down in the comments. With Luminar 4.3, Skylum has made a big step forward, improving this great software. The performance could still be faster, but that's nothing they couldn't improve with further updates. I can totally recommend Luminar 4.3 as a tool to give your photos the final touch. And if you want to buy it, don't forget I have a link for you in the description of this video. I hope this is useful for you. If so, don't hold your mouse or smartphone like a schnitzel, subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.